Hey everyone, I want to give you a quick look into our Smart Uploads feature. So fleet maintenance data comes from a bunch of different places. Vendors, emailed invoices, paper receipts, drivers, you get it. And when that data isn't captured consistently, you're losing visibility into what your fleet is actually costing you. So with Smart Uploads, you can take invoices and receipts from anywhere and automatically turn them into structured, detailed maintenance records in Fleetio. It extracts key information and breaks down every line item, parts, labor, taxes, so you're not just logging the total cost. You're capturing the full picture of what's costing you, meaning you can spot billing inconsistencies and understand maintenance costs and make smarter decisions about vendors, repairs, and even replacing a vehicle. Bottom line is we're making it easier for you to remove the manual work that slows down teams, while making your data more complete and reliable. In fact, we're already seeing fleets reduce their data entry time by up to 70 to 90%, while capturing more accurate information than manual entry alone.
The AI upload for the invoices, it's been my best friend. I love it so much. For every invoice I would get, I was putting them in line by line item. It would take me like 20 minutes to put in every line item. And now I just drag and drop that invoice in and it smart feeds it. Like the other day I was putting one in. It's like, wait, I didn't have to put the reference number in and automatically grab that out of there. I would say probably at least like 6 to 8 hours a week I'm saving.
So don't let invoices pile up and sit on your desk without making it into the system. If the data isn't there, then you're not seeing the accurate picture of your fleet. To learn more, visit our Help Center for more walkthroughs and tutorials. Have a good one.